My name is Mr. Long, and today I'm going to show you an example of my cell analogy poster, so that way you know how to upload it for Flipgrid, okay? So just kind of walk with me. My poster is going to be a little bit different than yours maybe because I'm using different organelles, but if you're just going to do the same for whatever organelles you did, okay? Here we go. So here's my cell analogy poster. What I chose to do is to have my system as Poochie and the cat's little kitchen. I chose Poochie and the cat because I think he's really cute and, you know, he's adorable. And I like food. So, what I first chose for my cell wall is the wall of the kitchen. So for a cell wall, it's really structural, right? It supports the cell and holds it up. So I chose the walls of the kitchen because that's what holds the kitchen up. Next, I have the cell membrane, and that membrane is my window. So a window lets certain things in and out, and you can kind of choose to close it or open it. And the membrane also kind of does the same. It lets certain things in and out of the cell. But it doesn't always let everything in, and not everything can fit in just because it wants to. Just like a window. You can't fit an elephant through a window, right? Next, on the bottom of this little stove over here, I have the mitochondria. So the mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell, gives the cell all the energy it needs, just like a stovetop would when you're trying to cook. You need the energy to get that heat to cook, right? Next, I have my lysosome. So lysosomes usually break down things in cells. So in my example, this lysosome is the cutting board because it helps you break down this big radish onion thing into a smaller piece of radish onion thing. Then I have a vacuole. So a vacuole in a cell is the storage unit. So it helps hold all the things that the cell needs. It holds water, it holds waste, but a fridge kind of does a similar deal where it holds things that you might need later. So that's why I chose a fridge for a vacuole. And last, on the top, I have a nucleus. So I said that Poochie the cat herself is the nucleus because a nucleus is like the main control center of a cell. And, well, Poochie the cat is kind of the main person in this kitchen. So therefore, Chef Poochie is my nucleus. Okay, so that is kind of how I did my Flipgrid, and hopefully you can use my example to kind of guide you on how to upload yours. All right, bye-bye.